You are staring at a 30-second timer for a mobile game you do not even want to play, all for the promise of a single penny landing in your digital wallet. It sounds like a bizarre trade-off, yet thousands of people are doing exactly that with a title called Lit Skyscraper. The concept is basically a digital construction project where you tap the screen to grow a building. But let's be honest, the building is just a backdrop for a relentless stream of advertisements. Most of these mobile games out there try to sell you a dream of winning thousands of dollars instantly, which we all know is a total lie. This one is different because it is brutally honest about how little it pays. We are talking about a few cents here and there. It uses a very specific cycle where you collect diamonds and wait for a 3-hour countdown. Once that timer hits 0, those diamonds convert into actual cash that you can send to your electronic payment account. I've seen this layout before. It is a recurring pattern in the world of reward apps. The developers are essentially running an advertising machine disguised as a game. They earn a fee every time you watch a video clip, and they toss you a tiny crumb of that profit to keep you clicking. It is a simple business model, but it requires a massive amount of patience. You might find yourself tapping away for an hour only to realize you have earned 4 cents, which is actually below the 5-cent minimum required to withdraw. That is the ultimate frustration. You hit the button, see the balance, and realize you have to wait another 3-hour block to try again. It is not exactly high-octane entertainment. In fact, it is quite boring. There is an auto mode that does the building for you, which is probably the only way to stay sane while using it. The real struggle is the sheer volume of video ads. They bombard you constantly. You finish one and another 30-second or 60-second timer pops up. You have to hunt for that tiny little close button just to get back to the skyscraper. Is it worth it? That depends on your perspective. If you use a dozen of these apps over the course of a year, you might see $10 or $15 total. It is not life-changing money. It is more like a very slow, very tedious digital piggy bank. There is also the risk of technical glitches. These apps are notorious for failing to track your progress correctly. You might reach a goal or watch a dozen ads and see 0 credits added to your account. No app is immune to these bugs. If you are looking for a serious side hustle, this is definitely not it. But if you just want to see a legitimate, albeit tiny, payout for your time, it seems to be one of the few that actually follows through on its promises. Most of the time, these apps pay out within a few hours of the request. Just do not go in expecting to quit your day job. You are the product here, and the payout is just a small thank you for your attention. Think about what happens when thousands of people are all watching the same ads. The developer makes a fortune while the users fight for pennies. The game offers upgrades to increase your building speed, but these are bought with in-game currency, not real money. This creates a loop of constant clicking. Sometimes you get an offer to multiply your rewards by 10. It sounds great until you realize it just triggers another long advertisement. The developer is making money every single time that video plays. It is a very transparent way to operate. Many people are skeptical because so many apps are scams. This one feels legitimate because the rewards are so low that the company can actually afford to pay them. If they promised $50, you would know it was fake. But 4 cents? That is a very believable number for a company to pay out. If you have a spare phone sitting around, maybe it makes sense to let it run. But for most of us, our time is worth more than a few cents an hour. It is a curious look into the bottom tier of the gig economy. You are basically a manual laborer for an ad agency. You build a virtual tower, they show you a commercial, and everyone walks away with a tiny bit of value. Just keep your expectations low and your patience high.